Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. In today's video, I have some Christmas hacks using these Dollar Tree Burlap Gift bags. So they do come in two different sizes. The smaller ones, 3 come in the pack, and the bigger ones, 2 come in a pack. Alright, let's start with our first hack. I will be using the bigger bags. This one here has a Christmas tree image. They also had the Merry and Bright on this size, but I didn't get that one since I grabbed the smaller ones. So for this project, I am also using a paint stir stick that I am going to cut into 2 pieces. Even though this is already a nice color, I decided to paint mine using the antique wax. This paint stir stick came from Walmart. It came in a pack of 3, which it cost me under $1.50. I don't exactly remember how much, but I know I didn't pay more than that. And this is like a more higher end paint stir stick to the other one. The color is beautiful, plus it doesn't have like the ruler on the back. I'm going to set those to the side and let them dry. Meanwhile, I'm going to cut the front of this burlap bag. I will be using a lighter to burn all the sides, just because this does de-thread. I didn't realize that I didn't cut the top part off, so I will be doing that. Then I'm gluing the burlap to the paint stir sticks. I'm using hot glue. And so far, this is how it looks. Now the next thing I will be doing is drilling 2 holes at the top part so I can add a hanger. Now I didn't measure these, so one is a little bit higher than the other one, but once you hang this, you can't really tell. Now we'll be doing a bead hanger, so I will be grabbing small little beads that I have from my bead jar. And I think the beads I'm using are from Walmart, but Dollar Tree now carries beads that you can use. For the string, I collect the little hanger that comes with the Dollar Tree signs, the ones that have these little plastic thing. I feel like these are so much easier to use, and that is what I used. To finish this off, I will be adding a jute twine bow to the top of the tree. Now you can use like words and put them on the paint sticks, or you can even iron on things on here like words on the burlap. I just chose to leave mine like this, but look how beautiful this turned out. For my second project, I will be using the back of the gift bag and this wood picture frame. Now mine is from Walmart. It is a lot cheaper than the ones Dollar Tree carries. This one was 97 cents. I'm going to remove the little metal things that the back has, and then I'm going to paint the frame using the antique wax. I will be using the burlap bag as the back of the picture frame. I'm going to cut it to size, then glue this on the back using hot glue. And I'm going to glue this by sections, and every time I glue this, I will be stretching it out so it doesn't look loose. And this is how it looks. Now you have a blank canvas, so you can add whatever you like to this. I recently went to Dollar General and found these little cute buckets, which I felt like this went perfectly here. Dollar Tree does carry different things that you can use instead, but I feel like Dollar General has cute things as well, and those are cheaper because they're $1. Now Dollar Tree stuff is $1.25 now, at least in my Dollar Trees. But anyways, besides from that, I'm going to just simply add a piece of jute twine to the top. So like that, it looks like the bucket is hanging from the frame. And then I'm going to glue the bucket to the burlap. Hopefully that made sense. To finish this off, I will be adding a little jute twine bow at the top to cover the little part where I glue the string. I added a little bit of more berries, but that is it, guys. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I will be using the smaller little bags. Now 3 come in a pack. This one right here says Merry and Bright. I am also using this wood DIY sleigh that I got from the Dollar Tree. The sleigh, I will be painting it using the Waverly Antique Wax. Now for the bag, I'm going to cut the front and I'm going to just place it on top of the sleigh and cut it more to size. For this project, I will be using the matte Mod Podge. I will be sealing this as well with the Mod Podge. To decorate this some more, I will be adding some greenery, and this greenery I'm using is from a Dollar Tree ornament. But in order for this to adhere to the wood, I'm going to add a piece of that burlap and then glue this to the top. I will be adding some wood beads to the same little hanger that came with this little sleigh. To finish this off, I will be adding a small little jute twine bow, and that is it. My next project is going to be quick and easy, and I'm using the back of the little gift bag. I'm going to just cut it more into a square. Then I'm going to glue it to the bottom of this Dollar Tree galvanized sign. Before I glue this though, I'm going to thread the edges. Now I'm adding this Farm Fresh wood sign that I got from the Dollar Tree from one of the little packs. I did paint it using the antique wax. Then I'm adding this ornament little red truck that I got from the Dollar General. And that is it. This was so quick and easy to make. For my next hack, I will be using another of the smaller little bags, the ones that says Merry and Bright. I'm going to cut the front image and I will be adding it to this galvanized metal sign, which looks like a soda bottle top, like the Coca-Cola ones. I don't know, or a pie, something like that. But I am going to add it in the center using Mod Podge. Now I'm going to add some greenery to the bottom. The greenery I'm using is just some little pieces that I already had. As you can see, I left a space in the center. That is because I will be adding a bow that I will be making using the buffalo check Dollar Tree ribbon. For the hanger, I will be using a piece of jute twine and some Dollar Tree beads. Now, I didn't notice that this little sign had 2 holes, and I could have put the Merry and Bright more in the center of the 2 holes and make like a hanger going from one hole to the other one. But I didn't notice it until I was already done, and I couldn't fix it because I did use Mod Podge to glue the Merry and Bright sign. But I still like how this turned out. For my next 2 hacks, I will be using these Dollar Tree gift bags. Now this is the 3rd set I got. This is a little bit different. As you can see, it does have this green Christmas tree in the front, but it is a totally different shape than the bigger bag. For this project, I will be making a 2-piece set, so I'm using this canvas pack that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now for this project, I will be using only one of the little bags. I'm going to make 2 pieces out of this. On one of the canvas, I will be adding the burlap that has the tree, and then on the other one I will be adding the blank one. For the blank canvas, you can add whatever you like. I'm showing you here different options. You can use this little wood Christmas cutouts the Dollar Tree carries, or you can even add a word, so many different things. Now to decorate my canvas some more, I will be adding these half beads that I had. I will be adding 5 on each side, which will be 5 at the top and 5 at the bottom, which will be 10 on each side, not 5, sorry. I'm adding the word joy to it, and I'm using these stickers that I had. You can also use the Dollar Tree wood cutout words, like the one I use in my 3rd DIY, I think. The one that says Farm Fresh, that would have went perfectly here too. To finish this off, I will be adding one of the Dollar Tree little Christmas trees, and that is it. I'm not gonna lie, this is not my favorite, but I still think this turned out cute. For this hack, I will be cutting only the bottom of the bag. Now I'm adding a Dollar Tree vase. As you can see, the bag was too small for it, but I didn't have a shorter vase, so I just left it like that, and I added some of the Dollar Tree greenery. Now to fix the bottom, I just added some burlap, and I think it looks so much better like that. But that is it. And that is it for these quick and easy hacks using these Dollar Tree burlap bags. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know which one was your favorite down in the comment section, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, bye.